Obviously, this is a very important day for sustainability in general, and Sustainable PR was founded this year here in Glens Falls in Warren County with the specific purpose of supporting companies and organizations with a mission in sustainability. If not us, who? You know, and so we wanted to create a public display that would be an art exhibit where we're inviting members of the community to come, particularly young children, and write expressions of hope of what they'd like to see, how to protect the planet. And our intention is, with the help of the Crandall Public Library, is to keep the displays out through the balance of the weekend. And by so doing, the community will be able to enjoy and read all the expressions and words that are on the boards.
What happened to global warming? That's what it should be right here.
We need increased sustainability so we have less weather deviation. It's not just today, you know, in April, but every day we should be thinking about our carbon footprint and what we can do to give back to the planet.